How's everybody doing? Listen, I know you guys, I just made it, and ladies, I'm sorry, I apologize. I mean ladies and men, all right? Because we all play the riff and virtual reality. The main thing, I got some fantastic news. I mean, this is crazy, but I just went out on a limb. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're new and you want to know about the riff and everything, please subscribe to my channel or hit that bell because I tell you nothing but the truth, the honest truth, no fancy videos, special effects, no introduction of my channel, nothing. I just get right to the point and I give you the truth about a product. If it's garbage, okay? Nobody's endorsing it, nothing like that. Back to the fantastic news about the riff. Last video I explained that I was angry because I see I just got off the riff. I was playing the Indeath game, which is a fantastic game. But I was complaining that the updates that they were giving made the game so much worse. You didn't get enough bowls, no special bowls. Every time you go higher in the score, they give you a new one with more power on it. And plus you get more gold and everything. And the weirdest thing just happened. I was like, no, I bought the game, can't return it. Let me just see what I can do. The best thing I can do is I'm only 57% of my score on my progress. So I figured let me just wipe out the whole game, delete the in-depth game from Oculus Rift, and put it back in. When I put it in, it blew my mind. I don't know yet if it's true. I started playing the game. I've been playing for maybe 2 hours now. I got 3 times my score in the first sanctuary. Everywhere I looked, there was a brand new bow. That's because I think I didn't let the update go in. So what you do, if you affiliate any game you buy from the Rift, PlayStation, or HTC, or any of them, always, if you feel that the game is doing good and you don't see no problems with it, don't let them update it. And if you do update it, before you update it, because once you do, you're stuck with it, look at what the details say, what the update's for. If it says an improving something that you've really had a problem with, then you update. But if you didn't have a problem with that certain situation and people complain and they said there's an update, there's a lot of times that they're going to take something away from you. So you want the game to work exactly how much when you bought it. Right now it's to the stage where I'm loving it. My score has been 3 times as high. I got some good news and a warning for you guys who own the Rift, the Oculus Rift. As I played, I watched a video on YouTube and it's up there. I didn't get the link. The guy complained that his Rift burnt out. And he explained how it happened. He didn't blame Oculus. What happened was, hold on, let me just get the Rift. What he did is he took the Rift and he played a lot of hours like me. And what he did is when he was finished, he laid it like this. And he was sweating. And inside, right here, under this strap, there's a hole in there, for the strap, but it goes right to the motherboard. And all the water went in his board. And he said, that's it. The spring didn't go back on at all. So it fried the motherboard of it. And he just told us that he was going to see if Rift they're not going to give him a new one because it was his fault. So this is what I recommend, because I was like, why are my lens always getting dirty and all that? So then I thought about that guy and I took the piece off, which this comes off the face goggles, and it's easy. It just pops right off. And I noticed when I took it off, what do you think was shocking? There was water all on the sides. Let me go to the angle you can see. All on this side, and here, underneath and near the nose part, from sweating, and on the other side. So just me thinking about taking this off to clean it, the sponge, just take it under the sink with water. I don't put no soap or nothing. And rinse it out and let it dry overnight. That told me, if you're ever sweating real bad, and the game says, like in death, if you want to take a break and relax, never lay it on its face. Never lay it like this. Tilt it this way. So whatever sweat and dripping, it's going to go right down to the bottom. And I recommend at least maybe once a week, take this thing off the face and wash it out. And clean all the germs that you put in there from sweating and you shave from your skin. Wash that off. Wipe it out with baby wipe. It could be a baby wipe. But don't touch the lens with any chemicals. Any chemicals at all. What I do, which is crazy, I take a soft piece of tissue, put it in the water, wring it a little bit, and just massage it into the lens. let it dry out, you know, with a fan or whatever, or another clean piece of dry tissue, which is with the used piece I had. And I used it with a dry piece of tissue. I don't put pressure. You don't want to scratch it. And you know, if it's hot water and the room is air conditioned, you know it's gonna fog up. So I put the riff in front of the air conditioner where the fan is, and it balances out the temperature so it doesn't fog when you put it back on your head. But then some people wait like a minute or two for the vapor to go away. Yeah, but that's good news. I just had to share that with you. If the in-depth game is having problems where you feel your score is not high enough or something, and you're not getting all those different types of bows and arrows, I recommend you just wipe the. If you wipe the game out, you don't lose your score. The only thing that happens, the only thing that happens is that I just thought it wasn't recording. That's why I'm looking at the screen. The only thing that can happen, it's going to leave off where it left off, and it's going to give you a perfect copy of Indeath. So if there was an error in the other one, it's going to automatically correct it. All right, until the next video. Thanks, guys, for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I see stuff on YouTube, and I get to do all the research. I'm going to let you know if to buy it and give me honest truth, or don't buy it. You don't want to waste your money, and I thank the people who do YouTube, the ones who are honest, and they give us information about products and tell the truth, instead of getting endorsed a lot of money from YouTube and all these big companies who make these technologies. So I give you a round of applause for you guys. Everybody have a good day. Everybody around the world, especially other countries. People that know me, I'm obsessed with other countries because I think you're amazing. Thank you.